Hey guys, how's it going? So today the market is closed and we're gonna be talking about Dropbox because Jeremy made a video about it last night. But anyways, happy Thanksgiving to all you Americans, and tomorrow is Black Friday. I'm not sure if Black Friday the market's open. I think it's open half day. I'm not 100% sure though. But I think tomorrow the market is open. But anyways, happy Thanksgiving. And in today's video, we will talk about Dropbox. So Dropbox, Jeremy talked positively about Dropbox, and he's been very bullish, and he's been literally he's been buying a lot of call options and loading up on the stock. With that, why doesn't Dropbox, skyrocket like, Very Good Butchers or Beyond Meat? Well, Beyond Meat not really skyrocket. It went up, but like why Dropbox didn't really move up? Well, because big money right now, Wall Street, they're the ones that ultimately will move Dropbox's stock price, because every dollar that Dropbox moves up is $350 million. When the market crashed in March of 2020, so around March and April, Dropbox stock didn't do too bad. It went from the highs of 22.45 all the way down to 16, and then it popped back to around $24 in June and July, and ever since then it's dropped back down to around 19 bucks. This is a near 52-week low. 52-week low is around 14.55, so it's about $5 off. Could it hit 14.55? Yeah, if something bad happened, I think there's a possibility it can go back down to 14.55. But ultimately, I think that Jeremy does bring up a good point comparing it to DocU, and I also think that Dropbox could be a pretty good COVID play, simply because DocU, a company that is worth $41 billion, while Dropbox is valued at $7.9 billion. Kind of the same business model, at least according to Jeremy, with the e-documents signing and stuff like that. So Dropbox actually makes some profit, while DocU not really, and they both have they both make the same financials. Dropbox makes roughly $500 to $1 billion of revenue a year, while Dropbox makes revenues between $1 billion to $1.6 billion. So actually Dropbox actually makes more money with a little bit of profit. And if we look on their balance sheet, they have the same amount of assets to liabilities compared to DocU, which has roughly the same thing, but DocU has actually less cash than Dropbox. But the market values DocSign a lot higher than Dropbox. DocSign, if we look, August 1st, 2019 was a $46 stock, and now it's a $224 stock, while Dropbox is valued at $7.9 billion. But at the end of the day, like Wall Street and hedge funds and big money managers, they're the ones that really move the market. So unless they feel bullish on the stock and decides to pump it, the Dropbox won't move. But you never know, right? I mean, it doesn't hurt to put a little bit of money in Dropbox, simply because in the future, it could get pumped. Like maybe an earnings call or something in the new year. or something like that could pump it, or maybe a buyout from another company, a competitor, could pop the stock to the upside in a big way. At the end of the day, it's a gamble, but it doesn't like these. It does have a really good support, and it's not extremely volatile stock. So definitely keep an eye on it. And if the stock drops, below $19, around 18.54, or maybe like below $18 would be a really good buy. Doesn't hurt to there's also another strategy you could implement with Dropbox. You could buy it slowly. You can buy like a little bit every week, every month. Like every month, like 2 weeks. Like you buy initial. You make a position in Dropbox regardless of where the price is, and then wait a week later, and then determine if you want to add more, or just slowly keep adding onto your position. And that's a safer way, because stocks can be volatile. So next week, if the stock dropped $1 below where you bought it at, then that could be an opportunity to add more. But if it looks bullish and the stock starts rallying and you think that's going to go higher, you can also add on the way up too, and buy high, sell higher. That could be a strategy. It's up to you at the end of the day what you want to do. But there's a possibility that it could, the market could reward it like Doc U in the future, but we'll see what happens. Doc U seems like a good short to me, in my opinion. ACB today is green. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Is it a pump and dump? Oh yeah, this is not even traded on the New York Stock Exchange today. It's traded on the Canadian Security Exchange, and it's up. It's green. Green. Also, Canopy today is open on the Canadian Exchange, and it's green today. There's also Cron. Cron is green today. VFF is good, really green today. Tilray is US, even though it's a Canadian company. What else? Hexo, green today. OGI, green today. Afria, probably green today. Really green today. Wow, look at that. Up 5.58%. ACB is only up 3%. Aurora has a $2.1 billion market cap, and Afria has a $2.77 billion market cap. Bitcoin today. Bitcoin trades no matter what. Sunshine or rainy day, it's trading no matter what. Bitcoin seems to be under a little bit of pressure, and it seems like people pumping Hive took massive profit, which could be a buying opportunity. But again, maybe it'll go all the way back down to 50 cents, which would really make it a good buying opportunity. One of the two scenarios is going to happen. Planet 13 is up today 8 cents. Harv is up today a penny. It crashed a little bit and then went up again. Medman down a penny, 16.5 cents. Harv is, already talked about Harv. Air Canada today is green, up 24 cents. The stock, would have been a pretty good buy at $15, because you could have 50% your money. High tide today is not really doing too much. And CGX, let's look at CGX. Cineplex today is up 30 cents. Cineplex could have been a doubler. On November 2nd, it was $5.35. Now it's $10.26. People were saying, "Oh, he's gonna go bankrupt down here," but he didn't go bankrupt, and it was one of the greatest investments at $5. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.